Hey, hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can easily transform your boring web WhatsApp browser to a very cool one with a theme, with a nice background and with all kinds of different features added. It's very easy, let's get straight into it. Now as you can see right here, I have my web WhatsApp open. It's quite boring, nothing to work around with it. Now what we are going to do, we're going to open up a different tab and we're going to the web store of Chrome, as you can see right here. Now we're going to look for the extension called Stylish, as you can see right here, and simply add this to Chrome. Now what this extension does, it overrides the given website, and it allows certain features, certain themes, and it's very easy to use. What you need to do is simply check the current application that you want to change, and here let's say I want this theme right here. I can simply press add install style, and here I can check it out. Now what this does, it completely transforms my web WhatsApp, as you can see. Now it's very easy to use. It even makes it way better in its functioning. As you can see, it loads up the whole chat. Now to turn this off, it's very easy. Go to the Stylish application, and here you can turn it off. And as you can see here, it's the basic one, and from there you have a different WhatsApp theme. Now if this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. It helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.